Use probability distribution to find probabilities. Find the probability of a randomly selecting a household that has fewer than 2 dogs. So fewer than 2 means 0 or 1. So you add the probabilities for 0 and 1 dog. So 0.684 plus 0.195. So that is 0.879. Find the probability that at least 1 dog. So remember, at least 1 is the complement of none. So in this case, you can actually do at least 1 directly also. At least 1 means 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. So you add all these 5 up. But the shorter way to do it is to realize that at least 1 is the complement of none. None means 0. So you take the complement of this 0.684, which is 1 minus 0.684. 1 minus 0.684, and that would give you 0.316. Find the probability of randomly selecting a household that has between 1 and 3 dogs inclusive. So you add 1 through 3 probabilities, so 0.195 plus 0.077 plus 0.021, so that'd be 0.293. No, I added it incorrectly. So 0.195077, so 098 plus, oh, I put a comma. That's 0.293. Okay. Explain how to find the mean of a discrete random variable. So if it's a this question is not very well worded. What they mean is discrete random variable in a probability distribution. So what you do in this case is you multiply each random variable by its probability and then add these products. Because sometimes if it's just a single variable and without mention of probability distribution, you know that to find the mean, you just add the values and divide by how many they are. But if it's a probability distribution, then you multiply each value by its probability and you add these products. Citrus farmer has observed the following distribution. How many orange trees does he expect? So expected value is the same as the mean. You can do it the way I just mentioned, that you multiply each value by the probability. So you do 20 times 0.2, you do 30 times 0.3, you would do 40 times 0.4, you do 50 times 0.1, and then you add up all these 4 results, the 4 products that you get from here, 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 and here. And that gives you the mean or the expected value. But you can also do it on StatCrunch. So for a data like this, where the probabilities, you have the probabilities which are in decimals, and the way to do it in StatCrunch is, okay, you'll just copy. Okay. And you do stats, calculator, and custom. And then you select the oranges and probabilities will be in the second. And you compute. And mean is 34, and that's the expected value. So now you do standard deviation and you do exactly the same way, stat calculator custom, and we can just, I hope it's the same problem, 30, 40, 50, 60, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.1. Let's see if it's the same problem. 0.2.3, yeah, it's the same problem. So you see, you also have the standard deviation here, 9.165. 9.17.